Hello, fellas. Today we will try to find out the private IP of your device and also of the router and then home network. And the solution to this is very simple. You just need to use some command line tool, and I will show you today now how it works. So this was of a previous video, and I was trying to go for the. Oh, wait, sorry, my smartphone is ringing. Okay, yeah. So if you want to now try to get the information about your router, you can just click on the IP config, and this will show you. You basically look for your own IP. You can look up the IPv4 address, and this is some kind of typical internal routing system here. You have the private IP is built together with the 192 and then the 168 and then 0, and then you have some numbers, and the numbers in the back are basically some devices, if you say it really easily. And this is the one of your single device in the network. And if you want to find out about the routers, you can take a look at the default gateway. So it shows the .01. So it's very clear. So this is the routers, and this is everything you need to know for this subject. So thank you. And if you need some more additional features, so in the next video, I will show you how to find out the other routers, the other systems that are in your routing system. So, for example, your neighbor, if he uses the same the same router, you can try to find out his device IP. So, thank you very much for your attention, and we will see later on in another video. So, reach out as me today with the Facebook or the email, whatever you want, and I'm reaching out to you guys any way we can. And thank you. So, thank you. Bye.